Dogecoin is one of the most well-known digital currencies today. The resource turned out to be particularly famous in 2021 on account of amazing cost acquires ignited by the consideration of very rich person Elon Musk. In December 2021, Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla will make some merchandise buyable with Doge and find out how it turns out. In January 2022, Musk affirmed on Twitter that Tesla will acknowledge Dogecoin for purchasing stock. Then, at that point, in April 2022, the Doge cost climbed more than 30% in a day when it was reported Elon Musk would purchase Twitter for $44 billion. Doge financial backers are hopeful crypto will be coordinated into the virtual entertainment stage here and there and raise more attention to the image coin and advanced monetary standards. Yet, that energy was hosed after the appearance of crypto winter that pushed the cost of tokens down to 7 cents. Yet, as the symbolic enters the new year, there is potential for a resurgence in this aid, as well as figuring out how to purchase Dogecoin. You will likewise get familiar with the various elements that siphon the Doge cost and whether it is a commendable interest in 2023. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is one of the most well-known cryptographic forms of money that anyone could hope to find in the market today. Made in 2013, Dogecoin is motivated by the well-known Japanese Shiba Inu coin. Very much like crypto heavyweights names like Bitcoin and Ether, Dogecoin runs on blockchain innovation. Holders can convey a duplicate of the Dogecoin blockchain, and Dogecoin can likewise be mined in similar way as the other top resources referenced. As a matter of fact, Dogecoin makers duplicated Bitcoin's code in exactly the same words and just changed the Bitcoin catchphrase in its white paper. They supplanted the word Bitcoin with Dogecoin. One significant distinction between the two is in their most extreme stock. While Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins as supply, Dogecoin has no restriction. There's no restriction to the quantity of Dogecoin that can at any point be delivered to general society. With respect to utilized cases, Dogecoin can be utilized for installments and resource moves. Be that as it may, it doesn't exactly fill in as a store of significant worth, as far as one might be concerned. Its cost is staggeringly unstable, significantly more so than Bitcoin. As expressed before, Dogecoin was made in 2013. The resource was created by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, two computer programmers, as an approach to making fun of Bitcoin and other digital currencies with elevated intents to influence the world. Marcus and Palmer didn't precisely have a utilization case or plan for Dogecoin. Yet, it at last got on. Dogecoin's fundamental offer is its local area. In its initial days, fans assembled assets to support the Jamaican sled group to the 2014 Winter Olympics. They likewise supported a NASCAR driver that very year, right up to the present day. There isn't a lot to it, save for the local area of loving fans, which currently incorporates famous people like Sneak Home Slice, Jason Derulo, and Elon Musk. Is it worth purchasing Dogecoin in 2023? Because of the rising expansion, not many individuals keep their cash in the bank. Insightful financial backers searching for more significant yields have gone to advanced resources like Dogecoin. The image put together digital currency has been with respect to a thrill ride run in 2021. The coin became by more than 12,000% from January 2021 to May 2021. That return is essentially higher than the profits posted by Bitcoin and Ether. Both huge cap resources became around 95% and 369% individually during a similar period. One justification for why Dogecoin turned into a moment hit in 2021 was the impact of Tesla's supervisor Elon Musk. The predictable tweet from Musk and the consideration from Reddit GameStop brokers pushed Doge to its untouched high of 8 cents. In any case, would it be advisable for you to purchase Dogecoin in 2023? In any case, things steered a turn in a negative heading with the appearance of crypto winter. Dogecoin, similar as different resources predominant in the crypto space, fell near its unsurpassed lows in 2022. Part of the motivation behind why Dogecoin was one of the most horrendously awful hit tokens is its absence of utility. Financial backers don't have the foggiest idea what it is utilized for, in light of the fact that it is utilized for no good reason. Furthermore, 2022's crypto winter has moved a specific part of financial backers to shift focus over to tokens with genuine utility, which made Dogecoin a less engaging digital currency venture. All things considered, the Dogecoin establishment is presently endeavoring to acquaint more use cases with Dogecoin and make it a seriously engaging cryptographic money speculation. Considering that, the crypto space might set aside it worth their opportunity to put resources into Doge. Be that as it may, even now, the crypto's cost developments depend on the good expression of Elon Musk. In this way, except if Dogecoin decouples its worth from what Elon Musk says regarding it, we don't see Doge's unpredictability going down at any point in the near future. However, that unpredictability makes Dogecoin a phenomenal venture for momentary dealers, making it one of the better intraday digital currencies accessible on the lookout. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most famous and most important digital currency. It keeps on holding the norm for advanced resources, including Dogecoin. All things considered, Bitcoin and Dogecoin have a few likenesses. They are both mined utilizing the verification of work calculation, and their qualities have risen altogether this year. Nonetheless, with Dogecoin not having a particular use case, Bitcoin stays the more important cash. Dogecoin versus Ether. Ether is the silver to Bitcoin's gold, the second most significant digital money. Ether's worth is principally attached to the utilization of the Ethereum blockchain. Today, large numbers of the youngster subventures in the crypto space utilize the Ethereum blockchain, from decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens, and that's just the beginning. With the utilization of the Ethereum blockchain developing, Ether's worth is expanding too. Dogecoin versus Litecoin. Litecoin is one of the most famous digital forms of money that anyone could hope to find. Like Dogecoin, it involves the script calculation for mining. Litecoin likewise has a considerably less unpleasant mining process than names like Bitcoin. Be that as it may, Dogecoin and Litecoin fluctuate on various fronts. Most significant is the way that Litecoin has tracked down somewhat of attraction in installments. Dogecoin, then again, hasn't. Dogecoin versus Libra. Libra is the stablecoin project declared by Facebook in 2019. The resource capabilities as a stablecoin with sponsorship from a portion of the world's top government-issued types of money. Libra is yet to send off. Facebook wanted to send off the resource in 2020, yet controllers have communicated worries over it and how it will work. Facebook should conciliate these controllers before Libra can fly. Dogecoin's cost went between a few unstable zones in 2022, from above 10 cents to beneath it. There were some in the middle between. However, the backtracks were more continuous, which kept the cost of this resource underneath the 10 cents level. Nonetheless, since Bitcoin's resurgence in mid-2023, the cost of Dogecoin has likewise moved in a positive course, albeit just barely. Doge entered 2023 at 7 cents and has been climbing consistently to recover its 10-cent spot. Will Dogecoin reach $1? It would be too early to say, taking into account what is happening. The absence of any utilization cases and explanations of well-known famous people are the impetuses moving the Doge cost at the present time. Thusly, making long-haul expectations for this memecoin is an exercise in futility. That being said, we suggest that you watch the business sectors and the updates of the Dogecoin establishment. It is possible that these updates will siphon this symbolic loaded with utility, giving it a drawn-out potential. Would it be advisable for me to purchase Dogecoin? According to a crucial viewpoint, Dogecoin has little worth. The coin has additionally not seen numerous institutional appropriations like Bitcoin. Nonetheless, it has partaken in various cost unpredictability previously and could appreciate more from here on out. Exchanging Dogecoin the present moment could be entirely productive assuming you time the market appropriately. Any dangers in purchasing Dogecoin now? There's dependably takes a chance in purchasing computerized resources. The significant gamble is in the chance of Dogecoin's cost tumbling off the bluff or the resource turning out